Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Smitty here. We're back for another episode of Austin's 4L60e. Today we're going to be building the reverse input housing and checking all of the clutch clearances on that, getting that all put together. So make sure that if this is content you like, make sure to smash that like button. Costs you nothing. I'm not kidding, it doesn't cost you anything. Smash that subscribe button and turn that notification bell on for me. That'd be great. Leave me a comment. Share with your friends. Let them know what's going on. Anyway, what do you say we get into this? So here we go. Alright. So again, we're not going to soak our clutches yet until we're done with the check and everything. We did get a new housing with a brand new surface on it for the band to ride. Reason we did that is we're going with the Raybestos wide band, and plus these teeth here get chewed up pretty bad from the sun shell and they flare out just from the weight. So this does already have bushings pressed in it, so I don't have to do anything there, and it's pretty much ready to assemble. So let's start with the piston. Give that inner seal some lube. The lip of this seal, if you can see that, it goes down towards the inside. Same thing with your outer one. It goes so the lip is facing down. Make sure you get it in the groove all the way. There we go. So yeah, that's how that goes. And lube the inside there. GM does have a special tool for putting this housing together. I don't have them, but I can tell you can do this without it. Just kind of have to be careful. I find this lip seal, Lip Wizard, works really good. Gonna roll that around there. There it goes. All right. Gotta have a little patience with that, dude. We use our mouse trap to put this together. Alright, need a wrench. Slide a 3/4 under there. Looks pretty good. Slide our snap ring in there. Our snap ring pliers. Doesn't seem like it wants to go in there. Sometimes you don't have your spring down far enough. There we go. Snap-a-rooski. And here comes Mother Nature. Maybe I'll cool my Easy Bake oven off a little bit. Alright. So that's good to go. So now we need to check our clearances on our clutch. So get into that. All right. Now your bottom one is a wave plate. They call that a Belleville. Not bevel, but Belleville. But anyway, the cone side goes up, faces up. Then just alternate fiber and steel. Your pressure plate on top. Put your retaining ring in there. Just like that. All right, spec on this clutch is 40 to 76 thousandths. So 21 and 24 is 45, so let's see if we can get 45 in there. Yeah. It slides in there with just a little bit of drag on it. So I'd say we're going to be good there. As long as it's not, you know, if it was tighter than 40 thousandths, then we'd have a problem. But I mean, it's got drag on it, so that clutch is good to go. So let's pop that dude back apart and soak the clutches. go ahead and put the Belleville in our first steel down in there, and we'll soak the rest of the clutches. And we'll be back in just shortly, but it'll be like 30 minutes. Okay. We're ready to do some clutches. Now that they've been soaking for a while. Just alternate your stack up. Put your old snapper ring in there. Get my glove out of there so it doesn't leave a piece of rubber in there. And there you go. So the reverse input housing is ready to assemble. But we got one piece we got to do first. And we'll do that in another video. Alright, y'all. So that's it for that one. We did the reverse input housing and assembled that, so you'll have to stay tuned for the next one where we're going to tackle the input housing, which has got your 3/4 clutch in it, your forward clutch, and your overrun clutch. It also contains your forward sprag. So if this content is something you like, make sure to smash that like button. Doesn't cost you a thing other than a finger click. And there's a subscribe button right next to it. Hit that subscribe button. Share it with your friends. Comment. Leave me a comment. I do answer them. And I sure appreciate everybody that comes and watches these videos. It means a lot to me. That being said, y'all take care of yourself. Take care of each other. God bless you, and God bless America. Bye-bye.